Morning guys, it's 2 days later from the day I went to town, and by the way guys, I got a few pieces. By a few pieces I mean only two. So I got this cut top from 7 Sunday. Everything on that day, it was on Monday, everything was 130 Kenyan shillings. So I got this cut top and I loved this front design. It's not a crop top by the way, but it's not that long as well. So I got this one. And then to my favorite piece, I got this dress guys. This is the back, okay? Look at the details. That is the back. So I loved this zip thingy and the front. OMG. You guys saw me in this. I tried it on in the changing room for just 130 bob. Imagine paka hii. So it's from the brand. I've been a trouser person like all my life. Currently I have only 4 dresses. They are okay, one of them I don't wear it outside, but for the 3 of them I do wear them outside. They are both black in color, so I wanted something different, and when I saw this 130 Kenyan shillings, yo. With the current economy guys, if you see a piece like this, just beba. So I'm trying to be a dress girly, and yeah, this is where we are starting. By the way guys, it's my birthday tomorrow. I have a shoot. I don't know if I will do it today or tomorrow. And the funny thing is that look at those nails. My hair. Yo, my hair is looking like that. So my plan is to do a simple gel hairstyle and to do stickons. Like I have my stickons here and I will glue them with super glue. I don't have an outfit guys. So by the way, the purpose of me going to town on Monday was to actually look for an outfit, a dress that I can wear during my birthday shoot. And I didn't get a black, so I wanted a black dress, a long black dress, but I didn't get even close to getting one. So this is what I got. I'm thinking I can do this. I have 3 options. It's either I do with this, or I pair this top with a mommy jeans, and or the third option is my black dress that I've never took a picture with. By the way guys, I have a new Instagram account. It's here. Yeah, so yeah, I'm so excited about the hairstyle because it's gonna look cute. So I did a DIY hair extension. The wig cap 50 bob of new and used braids. I was planning to get flowers. Yeah, I know if you have been following my vlogs, you know that I'm not a flowers person, but I don't know what's happening in my life. I'm in my flower girl era. I'm not saying that I hate flowers, okay? I have not been that lover of flowers, okay? So some things are just changing in my life. I have just told you that I'm beginning to buy more dresses, and that flower girl, I still love plants. Wish me a happy birthday. See you maybe when I know the birthday shoot is actually happening, so that I can prep myself with you guys. Morning, guys. It's my birthday. Oh my goodness. Like, I can't believe the way years are running like so fast. Guys, I'm 23. I'm 23. Yeah. Guys, imagine I don't know if the shoot will happen today, but regardless, even if it's not today or tomorrow, I must go for a shoot this month because it's my month. I mean, okay, I did not panga myself vizuri this year, so yeah. Guys, I've just woken up. I've made this to be a tradition, like in my birthday. In all my birthdays, I wake up so early. So yeah, it's 7 a.m. Imagine, guys, I don't even have the flowers I was talking about today, but you can always push it to the day that you have all the things. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. By the way, guys, this month has been a lot. It's just like last year. Last year was worse, guys. It was worse for my, personal life. It was worse. And during my birthday, I cried. But this year is different. It's not that much different, but it's at least okay. I really love the morning smell. Is that weird? Like the morning smell, the breeze, the birds. Yes, thank you so much, God, that I have turned a year older. So guys, I don't have activities lined up for today. I don't know where the day will take me. Just there. I will push it because I must celebrate myself. Even if, guys, you don't have, the fancy things during your birthday, make sure you at least to celebrate yourself. Hata kama ni kidogo. I'm just enjoying this morning. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day after my birthday, and I have this thought. I want to do my photo shoot by myself. So I want to do my hair today. I'm doing a gel hairstyle. I will make a full tutorial video and my nails, and then tomorrow I can do my photo shoot. Let's do this. So guys, I have my hair done and I will let this dry overnight so that it can dry perfectly. So the remaining part is my nails. Hey, yo, it's tiresome. It's always tiresome. guys, I'm done shooting and it has gone so good. My hair turned out so cute. Look at my makeup. Ah! Who are you? Who do we have here? Okay, anyway guys, if you want more details about this hair, watch this tutorial. And that has been my birthday vlog, guys, to show you that you can do things that you want. Okay, if you want a photo shoot and you don't have the cash, take your phone, do your hair, DIY your hair. If you don't have also the cash, do your nails at home and just shoot your photos and edit. We have a lot of editing apps to edit your photos. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.